Hi Libra, welcome to July. Libra, we have a lot of focus coming on to your career. We just had a solar eclipse, which I did a detailed video on, which is the part one of this video, which happened on summer solstice or winter solstice, the shift of season at a critical 0 degree of Cancer, a complete turning point, a complete new start, a new beginning in your career. We'll have another new moon, another new start, an opportunity to completely shift gears. Two new moons, one of which is a solar eclipse in your house of career, is a completely new start, a turning point, a growth period, a period of moving to the next level in our career. And this has been in making over the course of last 18 months, when North Node or Rahu has been in your house of career, expanding what you want to do, bringing about opportunities, bringing about shifts and closures possibly from old chapters when it relates to your career, when it comes to your leadership style. And as I mentioned in part one of the video, this new start or new beginning in your career, it will happen with a little bit of detour. So the example that I gave in part one of the video is actually very applicable to you. A man going to a job interview and thinking that is their life path, and he takes a detour because there's a roadblock over there. And on that detour, on that roundabout way, he finds a very different side of life. He finds a very different interest. Something just piques his interest and completely shifts the destination for him. So a detour shifts the very destination towards which he was going. So it's possible that the last 18 months you've been investing, working on, building towards a specific kind of career, and you thought, this is my new start. But the detour has shifted the adjectives attached to what you consider as success in your career. And with that detour comes a different kind of career, comes a new start in your career, a new way of being a leader, having new rules of engagement when it comes to your career, a new way of being in your career to some extent, in the sense of the content of the role that you're doing and how you're fulfilling that duty is going to shift. And this will pan out over the course of next 6 months. It will roll out over the course of next 6 months. But in July, we will see a definitive shift in that direction. We will see a new beginning, a new start coming about in your house of career. And it will come with something that looks like a detour, even it looks like a compromise to some extent, because it's not what you originally wanted, but this is what you need to grow to the next level. It gives you the ability to push to true self-reliance. It sort of gives you a solid sense of your own power, and you learn to follow through on your own creative impulses using that new start. You will follow what your heart says, irrespective of your critics, irrespective of your authorities. And this is a career which leverages your emotional intelligence, your IQ, your ability to appeal to the public in a softer fashion, the audience in a softer fashion, the emotional appeal that Libras have, that leadership position that strikes a chord in the audience. Libra is a sign of film stars, right? I mean, it's a film industry sign. I mean, people who do very well in film industry usually have Libra in their chart prominent, and that is because there is a star quality to Libra in the sense that they evoke emotions out of the audience. The audience is able to relate to them and connect to them at a very different level, emotionally at a different level. So the kind of career, the kind of opportunity, the kind of new beginning you're having, you're striking a chord with your audience in that career. This is a compassionate leader, a leader who nurtures the people who they work with, who treats the work audience or the people who they work with like their family. You're generally a great leader, liked by people in your ability to lead them in a compassionate fashion. This will be a very fertile time for your career, but it will come through some ebb and flow. It will come through certain reconsideration. There are reconsiderations which have been in process for some time, and now they will reach a head, in my view. They will reach a point where you have to decide, where you have to shift gears. And this is because this new moon is happening at a critical degree. When a critical degree is evoked, it's like the sun was moving northwards, it starts moving southwards, right? So there's a turning point, a shift in direction that happens because a different view is seen, a different side of the world is seen, a different side of being, a different way of being is seen when it comes to your career. And that will come through either some amount of pressure on finishing a project. There could be an old project that could come for fixing. There will be some back and forth when it will which will happen over the course of next couple of weeks, as Mercury is retrograde in your house of career till about 12th of July. So there will be some back and forth either with bosses or with people at work, or you might need to review an old submission that you have, or you might be reconsidering your whole career altogether right now. There will be some clearing out of any outstanding issues when it comes to your authority in your life. You will be redefining the career as a result of some back and forth which will happen. It's not a great time, at least till 12th of July, to really apply for a new job. What is happening is that till 30th of June, there's a looking back at the old. There's a looking back at the old and seeing what worked, what did not work, what was sort of, if there was any misunderstanding with bosses, any misunderstanding at work, any old project requiring rework. We will potentially be working on that till 30th of June. And then after 30th of June, a new seed is planted as a result of either a misunderstanding or a detour or a sense of self. And you're like, this, I'm done with this. I need to do something different. And that starts a cycle of renewal in your career. That starts a new cycle. But Mercury is still retrograde till 12th of July, when Mercury, which rules our business communication and documentation, that planet is not moving on its normal path. That is the time when we don't commit to things yet. So till 12th of July, we don't sign off things. We don't really go out and say yes to job offers. We evaluate job opportunities. We evaluate and look within ourselves what we want out of our career. We sort of renew a sense of passion for what we truly want to do. The career path comes into review over here. And what is your career image? How do you project yourself outward? What is your title? What do you want to be? How do you self-promote yourself? Are you self-promoting yourself in the right way? And this happens normally when we are on the heels of a big change. When wind is changing direction, then we take a step back to figure out, am I going in the right direction? Because the next 6 months, for the first time in our lifetime, Mars will be in your house of commitment, contracts, partnerships. There will be all of you, all and everything within you, which will be going out to fulfill a new goal that you'll be putting forth. And that might involve clients, that might involve partners, that might involve partnership, that might involve going together with somebody in. It might revolve around modifying your existing commitment and contract with a task. And you will be taking everything you've got within yourself to make it happen. There is huge amount of courage, and Libra, I cannot emphasize this enough. This is happening opposite to your sign. It's a very rare opportunity for cardinal signs to put huge amount of effort and energy. Mars in its own zodiac sign for 6 months hasn't happened since World War II. This is going to be very dynamically seen in global events. Mars is the warrior planet. It is a planet of war. It is a planet of courage. It is a planet of, and in Aries, where it will be for 6 months, it is a planet of pioneering something, doing something new that we have not done before. And that comes from a place of you wanting to do something that is more closer to you. There's a passionate side of you which Saturn is evoking, but it is saying you're still on the conservative side right now. It's saying, okay, let's plan for it. Let's not yet go fully into it. So you know that you have to take this detour to go elsewhere. But the next 6 months, you're going to put everything you've got into that goal. So we take a step back to figure out, What do we want to change? What is the change in status we desire? What is the change in job we desire? What is the change in the life path we desire? We will revamp our outer image during this point. Even our looks, the way we dress up, the way we look when it comes to our career, we'll change that. There could be some back and forth or misunderstanding with bosses, with authority figures, which can happen, which we need to be careful about over the course of next couple of weeks, especially the next 10 days that are very critical, because um, we will be rethinking things, and communication will not be very clear. So misunderstanding which can come because of sensitivity, oversensitivity to some extent on the part of the authorities or on your own part, can happen at this time, which can make this whole process not so smooth or not so effective in terms of what it wants to deliver. The back and forth that's happening, or the review, or even the discomfort that you're feeling, the whole idea of that is to show you a different perspective of what you truly want out of your career. It is not about breaking ties or cutting cord, or sort of disconnecting from your previous workplace or authorities, or burning any bridges. It's the time to learn from it and move on to the next level. Don't yet apply or change, but review, research a new path, connect with the right kind of people. I would not suggest to sign new business contracts or client at this stage, at least till 12th of July. It's the time to sort of move forward. And after 30th of June, you'll find yourself progressing forward after the review period. The first 10 days are review period. So till 30th of June, you'll find yourself reviewing things, and then you'll get the impetus to move in that direction. So we start putting down the brickwork after 30th of June till 12th of July, but the finalization comes after second half of July, sorry. So middle of till 12th of July, it's like back and forth review, paving the road forward. And then after 12th of July, especially around middle of July, I believe, you'll get this impetus to move forward to the new direction. So take a step back over here. If there is a work project that comes that needs redoing, or there's a skill set upgrade, a training of sort that needs to be taken, and this detour is going to show you another side. It is going to show you and reorient you to redefine your path. There are things that are not yet known to you that need to be told, and there is some amount of shift which is happening in your personal life at the same time. So the 4th or 5th of July eclipse is happening in your house of home, family, and personal emotional foundations. There could be certain chapters that might be coming to closure when it comes to your personal life. It could be a place of living that is changing. It could be something is being released, like a blockage that was not letting you expand in your career. And that blockage could either be a physical place of living, it could be country of living, it could be family, it could be your family obligations, it could even be just feelings, just feeling that emotionally ready for a new opportunities. As I mentioned in part one of the video, when we receive something during a Cancer eclipse, Cancer is a water sign, we receive because we are emotionally ready for it. It's like, the grid is not yet filled, and you're filling that grid with the right comfort level with moving to the next level. You're expanding your base so you can take on more in your external life. So that expansion happens with the 4th or 5th of July eclipse, which is a full moon, which is a lunar eclipse. It is a release of a blockage, it is a release and bursting of an old bubble, and career agenda shifts as a result of that as well. So let that play out as well. There will be more information that will come to light when it comes to your family. There could be some family secrets that could come out as well. There could be certain misconceptions of what you want out of in terms of your place of living, what kind of real estate you want, what kind of property you wanted to be in or be invested in. Something related to real estate can come to focus at that time. There might be a completion of a real estate investment. There could be a completion of a project related to home. And that sort of frees you up somehow. That frees you up to pursue a contract, pursue a career direction. It frees you up to sort of move to the next level in your career. And you'll experience that in the early part of July, in my view. But this is all not a surprise. These are the eclipses which have been in making since last year. They've been in making probably from September of 2019. And this set of eclipses will not repeat themselves in these modalities for the next 19 years. So this is a very rare month for you. July is a very rare month, an opportunity for you to pave the way for the next cycle, to pave the way for a new career cycle, to pave the way for a new place of living, changing your home, what home stands for you. And to some extent, what you do for a living needs to feel like home to you, needs to feel emotionally fulfilling to you. It doesn't as a sign, your job cannot just be a cold place to go to work to. It has to feel like home. It has to feel comfortable as a family to some extent, where people come together to create something of relevance. Socially, they are together to some extent. So, vocational choices, verdicts, decisions need to be taken in keeping that in mind, acknowledging that part of you that likes the camaraderie, that likes the getting together with people, that likes the warm part of working with people to some extent. So, finding projects in that direction, sensing them out, listening to that part of you that we normally ignore sometimes because we are so much running after getting projects done. It could be like, you just take, like, I know my husband is a Libra rising. I mean, sort of take a detour with the training, and that shows you, oh, this is another way of being in the career, and this is more me, this is more to my liking. So the last 18 months you sort of have been working towards something, and you were like, this is my job interview, I'm going for it. And now that might shift, and you'll be given a very quick opportunity. This is a very quick eclipse, this is a quick acting eclipse. There's not a whole lot of delay beyond July, in my view, with this eclipse. So with this quick acting eclipse which is coming with the nodes, it's like, let's do it. It's like something switches, and let's do it, let's flip to that side. Kamala Harris, I mean, I'm not taking a political stand, I'm not even American voter, but she's a Libra. So something like that, you're going for a president and then you're going for a vice president. So it looks like a compromise to an external person, but within you, you know that somehow you can deliver more in that role. It's more to what you thought you need to do. It might feel like a compromise, but it's a detour, and it's somehow leading you. It may not be a VP, it might be another career path for her. I'm just giving an example, but another path which is more to what you want to be, what would give you fulfillment. It's not about how it looks to external party, how it looks to others. It's about you. It's about finding the job, the profession, the work routine, the career opportunity that is more to being comfortable in your skin, feeling more comfortable in your own skin. And it uses your emotional appeal with people, it uses your emotional intelligence, it uses your your EQ, much more than the IQ. This is about, great leaders which are liked by the people, because they care for others, because they are relatable, because they connect with you at an emotional center. So being that kind of leader, being that kind of a person, being that person, even if you're not head of a business, being that person in your job to some extent, or in your whatever you're doing as a head of your family, or as a head of a business, or as a leader of your own career, you're doing that with that sensitivity, with that insight, with that light within you that people love and like Libra for. Staying loyal to that light within you is very, very important as you pursue this detour and go for a new direction, in my view. So good luck for that, Libra, and I'll see you in the next video now.